Question 141. How do you approach the integration of technology into traditional academic curricula? Integrating technology into traditional curricula requires a strategic approach. First, I assess the existing curriculum to identify areas where technology can enhance learning. Then, I select appropriate tools that align with learning objectives, ensuring they are user-friendly and accessible. Professional development for faculty is vital, as they need to be comfortable with the new technologies. I also incorporate feedback mechanisms to evaluate the effectiveness of these tools and make necessary adjustments. Ultimately, the goal is to create an engaging learning environment that leverages technology to support pedagogical goals without overwhelming students or faculty. Question 142. Can you describe a time when you had to troubleshoot a complex academic system failure? In a past role, our learning management system, LMS, experienced significant downtime during exam week, affecting student access. I quickly assembled a cross-functional team to diagnose the issue. We analyzed system logs to identify server overload as the root cause. I coordinated with IT to implement temporary load balancing while we upgraded server capacity. Communication was key. I kept faculty and students informed throughout the process. After resolving the issue, I led a debriefing session to document lessons learned, ensuring we established a proactive monitoring system to prevent future occurrences. Question 143. What tools do you consider essential for managing academic projects effectively? Essential tools for managing academic projects include project management software like Trello or Asana for task tracking and collaboration. Additionally, Google Workspace facilitates document sharing and real-time collaboration among faculty and students. For data analysis, I rely on tools like R or Python, which help in evaluating academic outcomes. Regular communication through platforms like Slack or Microsoft Teams fosters transparency and immediate feedback. Lastly, using a version control system like Git can be beneficial for collaborative research projects to track changes in documents or code, ensuring everyone is aligned. Question 144. How do you ensure that your academic programs remain culturally relevant and inclusive? To maintain cultural relevance and inclusivity in academic programs, I engage with diverse stakeholders, including students, faculty, and community representatives. Regularly reviewing curriculum content for cultural sensitivity is crucial. I promote courses that reflect diverse perspectives and encourage faculty to incorporate inclusive teaching practices. Additionally, I facilitate workshops on cultural competency for faculty and staff, fostering a community that values diversity. Feedback from student surveys is vital. It highlights areas for improvement and helps tailor programs to better meet the needs of a diverse student body, ensuring everyone feels represented and valued. Question 145. Describe your experience with continuous integration and continuous deployment, CCD, in an academic setting. In my previous role, I implemented CCD practices for a research project involving software development. We established a pipeline using GitHub Actions to automate testing and deployment of our educational tools. This practice allowed us to catch bugs early and ensure that updates were seamlessly integrated into our platform. I collaborated with developers to define clear testing protocols and set up staging environments for faculty to review changes before going live. The result was a more reliable product, reduced deployment times, and enhanced collaboration among team members. Faculty appreciated the transparency and reliability of updates, leading to increased adoption of the tools. Question 146. How do you approach the evaluation of academic programs to ensure they meet industry standards? Evaluating academic programs begins with establishing clear learning outcomes aligned with industry standards. I conduct regular reviews of curriculum content in collaboration with industry experts to ensure relevance. Surveys from alumni and employers provide valuable insights into graduates' preparedness for the workforce. Additionally, I utilize data analytics to track student performance and retention rates, identifying trends that may indicate areas for improvement. Accreditation processes also guide evaluation. I ensure compliance with standards while identifying opportunities for enhancement. Continuous feedback loops enable ongoing adjustments, ensuring programs remain competitive and effectively equip students for their careers. Question 147. What strategies do you employ to foster collaboration among faculty in an academic institution? To foster collaboration among faculty, I implement structured initiatives such as interdisciplinary workshops and collaborative research projects that encourage cross-departmental engagement. Regular faculty meetings focused on sharing best practices and discussing challenges can build a supportive community. I also promote the use of collaborative tools like Microsoft Teams or Google Docs to facilitate ongoing communication and resource sharing. Creating mentorship programs pairs experienced faculty with newcomers, enhancing knowledge transfer. Recognizing and celebrating collaborative achievements through awards or acknowledgement in faculty meetings further motivates engagement. Ultimately, fostering a culture that values collaboration enriches the academic environment. Question 148. How do you handle conflicts that arise between academic staff members? Handling conflicts among academic staff requires a diplomatic and structured approach. First, I facilitate a private meeting with the involved parties to ensure everyone feels heard. Active listening is crucial. I encourage open dialogue to express concerns and perspectives. I then guide the discussion towards finding common ground, focusing on mutual goals such as student success and departmental harmony. If necessary, I may involve a neutral third party to mediate the discussion. Once a resolution is reached, I follow up to ensure compliance with the agreed-upon actions and to reinforce a culture of respect and collaboration. Question 149. What is your experience with cloud computing in academic research? My experience with cloud computing in academic research involves utilizing platforms like AWS and Google Cloud for data storage and processing. In a recent project, we migrated our data analysis workflows to the cloud, which facilitated collaboration among researchers across multiple locations. The cloud environment provided scalability, allowing us to handle large datasets without investing in physical infrastructure. I implemented security protocols to protect sensitive research data, ensuring compliance with institutional policies. Additionally, I trained faculty and students on utilizing cloud tools effectively, enhancing their research capabilities and fostering an innovative approach to academic inquiry. Question 150. Explain how you measure the success of an academic initiative. Measuring the success of an academic initiative involves multiple metrics. First, I define clear measurable objectives aligned with institutional goals. For instance, if an initiative aims to improve student engagement, I track participation rates and gather qualitative feedback through surveys. Academic performance metrics, such as GPA improvements or course completion rates, provide quantitative data on effectiveness. I also assess faculty feedback to gauge the initiative's impact on teaching practices. Regular review cycles enable adjustments based on insights gained, ensuring continuous improvement. Ultimately, success is determined by the initiative's ability to meet established objectives and enhance the overall educational experience. Welcome to CloudRoar CSPM, your intelligent cloud security posture management platform. In today's hybrid and multi-cloud world, maintaining visibility and control across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud can be complex. CloudRoar CSPM simplifies that by continuously scanning all your cloud accounts, configurations, and workloads. Our platform automatically detects misconfigurations, compliance violations, and potential security risks before they become incidents. CloudRoar CSPM provides clear, actionable insights mapped to major frameworks like CIS, NIST, and ISO standards, helping your teams remediate faster and stay audit-ready at all times. Strengthen your security posture, achieve continuous compliance, and take control of your multi-cloud environment with CloudRoar CSPM, security that's smart, scalable, and proactive. Introducing CloudRoar Cost Optimization, your unified platform for smarter cloud spending across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. Cloud costs can grow silently, but CloudRoar gives you full visibility and control. Our engine continuously analyzes usage patterns, instance sizing, and idle resources to uncover hidden savings. With intelligent recommendations powered by real-time data, CloudRoar helps you right-size resources, eliminate waste, and maximize return on every dollar spent in the cloud. Get detailed reports, actionable cost insights, and automation that ensures continuous optimization without compromising performance. Optimize confidently, scale efficiently, and make every cloud dollar count with CloudRoar Cost Optimization. Efficiency meets intelligence. Welcome to CloudRoar CSPM, your intelligent cloud security posture management platform. In today's hybrid and multi-cloud world, maintaining visibility and control across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud can be complex. CloudRoar CSPM simplifies that by continuously scanning all your cloud accounts, configurations, and workloads. Our platform automatically detects misconfigurations, compliance violations, and potential security risks before they become incidents. CloudRoar CSPM provides clear, actionable insights mapped to major frameworks like CIS, NIST, and ISO standards, helping your teams remediate faster and stay audit-ready at all times. Strengthen your security posture, achieve continuous compliance, and take control of your multi-cloud environment with CloudRoar CSPM, security that's smart, scalable, and proactive.